What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike Sasser, boudoir photographer in Los Angeles, but we are still in Bali. Today we're going to be talking about reflection shots. No, not those reflection shots, these reflection shots. All right, let's get started. All right, so using reflections in your images can add another level of depth. It can add a little interest to the photo. So what we're gonna do today is talk about 3 different ways that you can use reflections in your pictures. This is Maria. She's gonna be helping us out today. Ready to get started?
Yes, of course, sure.
Let's do it. You get up nice and close and you'll just be kind of peeking at yourself. You basically have 2 options when shooting into a mirror like this. It's either to focus on the person's reflection, which can be interesting, but sometimes the light isn't as good because they're facing away from the windows, or to focus on them in front of you like I am here and use the mirror's reflection to add interest. Okay, so next we're going to use this as our mirror. So you can put your shoulder up against the side there. The trick here is that the closer you are to the glass, the more intense the reflection will be. Okay, looking back at me. And don't get stuck only shooting straight. Try shooting down or up on that reflection too. So the way mirrors work is that there's a sheet of glass placed in front of a black board with a reflective surface in between. The light reflects off that dark surface and shows the reflection.
It's science.
Basically, any glass that has a dark background and a brighter foreground will give you a reflection. That's why this works when we shoot into a window. The bright areas are being reflected and the dark areas we can see through. Okay, so you can see here within this reflection, when the background is darker, it's much easier to see her. When the background is really bright, it's much harder to see her. So basically you're gonna have to play around with where you point your camera. Perfect. Let's do like a little bit of this. Yeah. Right there. So like we talked about, dark surfaces are really good for reflection. So I'm gonna give it chocolate a try and see if this is gonna do just the same. Didn't work. This is so ridiculous. So I get that not everybody has like big sliding glass doors or mirrors. Hopefully everybody has a mirror in their bathroom now that I think about it. But in case you don't have something like this, you can use your phone as a reflection. Remember, we were talking about dark surfaces with glass being reflective, which is most cell phones. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your phone, put it right up to the lens, move it around, play around with the angles, see what you get. Crushing it, love it. Hope that gives you guys some ideas for some reflection shots. I've got a brand new newsletter that's coming out that's going to be tips separate from my YouTube channel. So if you guys want a few more exclusive posts, a couple extra tips, a couple extra reviews, some more guidance, and something really special coming out next month, which I'm so excited for, definitely put your email address in below so you can be the first to be notified of those things. And I hope you get out, do something creative, maybe have a little chocolate, have a little something sweet, and I'll see you in the next video.